If you own a home, you have likely seen the term assessed value on your tax bill. Let us break down what it actually means. The assessed value is the dollar amount assigned to your property by a local government official for the purpose of calculating property taxes. Local governments use this figure to ensure everyone pays their fair share of taxes to fund schools, roads, and emergency services. Assessors look at physical improvements, recent sales of nearby similar homes, and overall neighborhood market conditions to set your value. Market value is what you could sell your house for today, while assessed value is strictly for the tax collector's records. Even if your home value rises, the assessed value often trails behind due to local laws that limit how fast it can grow. If you feel your assessment is significantly higher than similar homes in your area, most counties provide a formal process to appeal it. Understanding your assessed value helps you anticipate your tax obligations each year. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more basics.